Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. PM Imran Khan welcomes Saudi Arabia's peace initiative with Iran. Prime Minister Imran Khan welcomed Kingdom of Saudi Arabia's initiative for peace with Iran and expressed the confidence that it would strengthen Muslim Ummah. Pakistan's deadliest day since COVID pandemic began curbs mold. Pakistan has seen more than 200 COVID-19 deaths in the past 24 hours, the country's deadliest day since the pandemic began last year. Official data shows as authorities contemplate imposing new lockdown restrictions. Biden says vaccinated people can go mask-free outdoors most of the time. Americans vaccinated against COVID-19 no longer need to mask up outdoors when there is no crowd, President Joe Biden said before celebrating by taking his first short walk at the White House without the face covering. China slightly eases international flight suspension rules. China's aviation regulator will slightly relax suspension rules on international flights due to COVID-19 as it seeks to facilitate more flexible capacity arrangement for airlines. US Defense Secretary discusses Afghan issue with Bajwa. US Defense Secretary Austin and Army Chief General Qamar Bajwa said on Wednesday the United States and Pakistan would like to continue their cooperation for regional stability and security. Saudi Crown Prince seeks good relation with Iran. Saudi Arabia's crown prince struck a conciliatory tone towards the kingdom's urged Iran, saying he sought good relations after sources said the rivals held secret talks in Baghdad. India is one of the world's top 10 buyers of COVID vaccines. It still has nowhere near enough. India has the world's biggest vaccine producing capacity but is suffering a second wave of coronavirus infections, just as supplies of COVID-19 vaccines for its huge population are running low. UK reports 29 COVID-19 deaths, 2,166 new cases. Britain reported 29 deaths within 28 days of a positive COVID-19 test on Wednesday, up from 17 a day earlier, according to government data. Myanmar's ousted lawmakers say they won't join talks until prisoners are freed. Myanmar's pro-democracy unity government, which includes member of parliament ousted by the military coup, has told Southeast Asia's regional bloc that it will not engage in talks until the junta releases all political prisoners. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network Islamabad.